West Chester University has worked aggressively to transition to non-polluting energy sources. In spring 2014, history was made when the university's coal-burning boiler plant was taken offline. It was formally decommissioned on October 22, 2015, National Campus Sustainability Day. By transitioning to geothermal energy and high-efficiency natural gas boilers, the university has significantly impacted its carbon footprint by reducing its rate of CO2 emissions by approximately 37%. West Chester University's geothermal system is the second largest university geothermal central distribution system in the nation. The heart of WCU's geothermal system is hidden deep underground in a series of wells and pipes, but the brains of the system lie in an unassuming building next to Sykes, the geothermal pump station. John Latanzi, WCU's Manager of Energy Projects, will tell us a bit more about this state-of-the-art facility.
Hi, my name is John Latanzi, and I'm the Energy Projects Manager here at West Chester University. Our geothermal system allows us to transfer heat from the ground into our buildings during the winter and out of the buildings into the ground during the summer. This is done by pumping water through wells that are drilled 500 feet into the ground, then pumping this water through a network of underground pipes that eventually lead to each building connected to the system. Now let's look at the technology that keeps everything running smoothly in the pump house. The automated control system provides us with up-to-the-minute information, including flow through the 836 geothermal wells and real-time temperatures in buildings. The geothermal heat load is continually monitored and controlled, allowing excess energy found in some buildings to be shared with other buildings that need the additional energy. This pump station serves as a university learning laboratory. I've presented to a number of different classes, including those taught by Dr. Gary Schmidt in the Department of Geology and Astronomy, Dr. Albert Koenig in Physics and Engineering, and Dr. Cheryl Wenko in English. Also, Dr. Martin Helmke, Chair of Earth and Space Sciences, and his students often conduct research studies that help evaluate our geothermal system's performance and efficiency, which ultimately can contribute to improvements in geothermal design and engineering. I very much enjoy working with our students and providing them with this unique learning opportunity